There might not be a better way for you to get into boating. This is a family cruiser that represents not only great value and a fantastic fun boat, but also a great opportunity to get in at a very low cost and low maintenance and holding costs as well. If we step on board, I'll explain to you exactly what you can have. You see we've got this fantastic swim platform just in front of us, a lovely canoe stern. They're always very appealing. The family would enjoy that swim ladder that goes into the water, of course, and then the convenience of a hot and cold shower just there. But when we step in, I'll show you what we've got. We've got this really nice big open aft cockpit area. There's a good amount of refrigeration and cooling in here as well. Underneath that seat there, there's a big cooling chest. You can pop all of your ice, that's for your drinks, underneath there. And then underneath this one, there's also an electric sort of chest style refrigerator. So that's where all of your food go. So the story with this boat is, this is operating as a charter vessel, and the ownership model is fantastic because it allows owners to have as much access to their boat as they want, whilst also earning a really, really good charter income. And as you can see, when we go through the tour, the boat is kept in excellent condition, as you would expect for a boat that's in survey. You can see we've got this really nice C-shaped dining area here for 6 people. You'd be stunned to know for a 35-foot boat that there's actually sleeping for up to 8 people, and this can actually drop down and convert into a day bed. So that'd be super fun to come here and just chill out, or it could even become another double berth if you wanted to have even more people on board. But how good's that? Heaps of natural light, great windows, a little television with sound system there. Then opposite here is the galley, which is more than adequate, more than functional. And you can see we've got the gas cooktop there. We've got a stove, plenty of space for everything you need to come away for a few days or even more than a few days. To me, this is really going to suit a person, a family who doesn't want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to get into boating and, you know, incur all of the costs that go in with that, but still have all of the fun that you get from being on the water. And that's what this opportunity gives you. The other thing that's really appealing to me about this is this boat is extremely efficient to own and operate. It's got a 150 horsepower single shaft drive diesel engine. Really, really simple. The maintenance cost on this is very low. As you can see here, we've got a pretty easy helm position here. There's also a helm up on the flybridge, which is excellent as well. But in terms of efficiency, this will sip away at only 7 to 8 litres of diesel an hour, which in dollars terms, that's only about $20 an hour. I mean, that is ridiculous. You can't even park your car in Sydney for $20 an hour in many places. Trust me on that. But you can own this boat. You can have it chartered. It will pay for itself and the maintenance costs and the upkeep costs. And then, of course, you can have use of it when you want. Look at this flybridge here. This is fantastic. Remember, this is only a 35-foot boat. We've got, as you can see here, space here for tons of little director chairs there. This would be a super place, wouldn't it, to pull up to a mooring and just chill out for the afternoon. We've got a gas barbecue there. That's heaps of fun. And then forward, you've also got this other helm position here that I mentioned a little bit earlier. And this would be a great place to operate the boat. If I take a seat here, you can see you've got a good view out. These clears can come off, of course, out over the bow. Really easy operation, of course, as I said, that just that single diesel to operate. Great view. And then you've also got space here for everyone to come up and be next to you and have a great conversation. and just really enjoy this boat. Doesn't it look excellent? You can see there out on the forward deck as well. If you wanted to, you could grab some bean bags, take those out, some towels. If you wanted to do some sunbaking, you'd be able to do all of those things. Just have a super time. I reckon you could also get a little temporary outdoor screen and pop that there. You've got all these little mobile projectors these days. You connect to your phone. You could have a little outdoor cinema there. That'd just be an absolute ball. But that's how it sets up. Fully shaded here, this soft top, that stays there. That's permanently set up. That's really great. But what a fantastic setup this is. That looks brilliant, doesn't it? Fantastic. We'll come back down. I'll just lower myself back down. Church Point Charter Yachts. They are the people who operate this boat in charter, and it's limited to 8 knots, so you don't even need a boat license to operate this, which is even better if you're thinking about getting into boating. That's brilliant. But let's look at the accommodation, because to me this is one of the real standout features which would make this such a great family asset. Wouldn't the kids have fun being in here? You've got 4 single bunks, plenty of light in here, hatches, you can open these up, space underneath here to pop your overnight bags if you need a space to put those. In fact, there's plenty of spaces to throw your bags if you're coming away for a couple of nights. You could come away for longer, of course, but it'd be perfect, wouldn't it, for long weekends? You'd have an absolute ball. We've got, would you believe, 2 heads on board the boat for a 35-foot boat. That's pretty astounding. As you can see, everything's GRP, so nice and easy to maintain. You've got a wet room head in here. That's going to be functional as well as easy to maintain and clean. So that's perfect for people who can jump in and use that. But then we can come into one of the 2 double berths. So you've got this one here, which is a nice size double. So mum and dad, you could grab this, or if you've got older kids or maybe another set of friends, they could come and enjoy this. And then there's also a toilet head just in there as well, behind this little screen that also has, there's a little basin there as well. And there's also a detachable shower head. So in fact, you've got 2 heads. So there's no shortage, is there, of convenience and accommodation on board. That's pretty astounding, really, isn't it? And then there's even a second, which I think is probably the largest. I think it's probably more like a queen size berth, just down in here towards the stern. As you can see, nice and big. Again, you've got plenty of ventilation in here. This would work really well for someone. Come and spend a few nights down in here, no problem whatsoever. How fun. So there you go. There's not many easier ways to get into boating than this. Really low maintenance, really low upkeep costs, and it's got the advantage, of course, of being in survey and being a charter boat that's well kept and well operated, that the boat will pay for itself as well. Why would you spend thousands of dollars annually going away to overseas holidays or expensive Airbnbs where you could own this and go anytime you want, grab the family, head off for a couple of nights or longer and just have an absolute ball? Why would you not do that? Coastwide Marine Sales, they're the people to talk to. All of their details are going to be in the description of this video. And then if you wanted to charter a boat like this and you live in Sydney, Church Point Charters, they're the folks to talk to. Great people, great operators, all of their vessels are in great nick. You'd have an absolute ball. But there you go. Let me know what you think. I reckon great value. I'll be tempted to buy this for myself, in fact. What a great boat to have. But I'll see you next week on another video.